Renovation's do's and don'ts.
Take your brush and gently dip it. Be careful not to drip it. Wet paint. Wet paint.
Most people want to renovate for their own enjoyment or to get a certain aesthetic look. Some want to renovate just to sell. Please keep in mind resale value and what current trends are when deciding finishes and colors and what renos to do. I've seen some interesting renovations that some buyers don't value them the same way the sellers did. Biggest mistake sellers make is sellers sometimes do the flooring room by room because let's face it, it's expensive to do an entire floor at once. But please save up and do it all at once so it looks uniform. Have you ever seen a house where the flooring is different in each room? You know who you are. Secondly, don't get too creative with your artistic side. Simple and consistent is what buyers want. People want to see themselves living in your home. So let's make it easy for them. Another thing you need to consider is the demographics in your neighborhood. Downtown homes would have different styles than rural homes. Finishes, colors, and styles need to be considered. Public service announcement. Glitter. Don't. I know it's fancy. I know it's sparkly, but please, no glitter. No jacuzzi in the bedroom. It's not the 70s anymore. No. Oh my God. Glass staircase. Yeah, it's so chic. Oh, it's so fancy. Unless you got a lot of Windex and maybe a squeegee kid that can help you out, don't. Mirror backsplash. I don't know who came up with this, but who wants to see all the backsplash? My parents told me if you're gonna do something, do it right the first time. Or you're just gonna have to put more effort, maybe more money, doing it all over again. Ask yourself, when it's time for you to sell, will these renovations help increase your resale value? Before you do any renos, if you want to discuss things that'll help increase your resale value, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe and comment, follow, holla, and I'll see you in the next one.
Take your brush and gently dip it. Be careful not to drip it. Wet paint. Wet paint. Wet paint.